Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unbagging for you. I hope everyone's doing well, staying cool. I know we've had a little break in the heat for the last couple days, which has been wonderful. But if you are still in an area that is really hot with heat advisories, just stay cool and hydrated. Okay, so this comes to me from DPClubs, and I want to thank them for sending these to me. I truly do appreciate it. Now, two of the things in here I actually ordered. Actually, there was 3 things that I ordered, but one of the things was not in stock, and I asked them to just pick something out for me. So I'm not exactly sure what they sent. So yeah. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and look at this one first. Now, again, this is from DPClubs, and right now they are still celebrating a 22% off store-wide discount. So y'all definitely get over there and check them out. I really like the company. So this is a 30 by 40 Mermaid. Comes with a regular toolkit, green boat, pink wax, single placer pink pen. And this is what she looks like. Now, it's not called a pearl painting, you know, because those are like really popular here lately. But she does have quite a bit, and I myself would consider this a pearl painting. Now, she is going to have a few crystals, but the majority is the pearls. Alright, let me just get her flattened out a little bit. But I thought she was really pretty. And again, she is a 30 by 40. There's her canvas number. Looks like we have got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 specials. So we're just going to look at this real quick. Now, this is a partial. So there are going to be parts of this that will not be drilled, like in the water and everything. So it looks like we have got bags over here. So here's the H. You've got 2 H's, but you can see they sent us 3. So they do send extras. Alright, let's look at these. Are going to be so pretty. So the crystals, these large crystals, are going to go in her tail and around, like kind of like bubbles. And then we get into some pearls, and you can see they're all slightly different size. All 3 bags of these are E's. So it goes from large to teeny weeny. And then we get into the smaller crystals, which this is going to be like in the seaweed. I really like the pearl paintings, but I really also like the ones like this that have colored crystals in it, because the crystals give it a pop of color, but the pearls give it like a little bit of elegance, I guess you could say. So again, it's just called Mermaid, and it was $8.98. Get those back in there. So it's very clear. She's going to be really pretty. Really pretty. Alright, so there's that one. Now, this is the other one that I ordered. And it does come in the box, which apparently is a good thing because it kind of got squished in shipping. Now, this I think is why the companies have started, you know, going to the boxes, is because of all the issues with shipping. So, I don't blame them at all. So, this is another, what I would call pearl painting. And this is also a 30 by 40. Now, why this one was in a box and that one wasn't, I don't know. Standard toolkit. Now, this one I thought was very pretty. Now, this one is called White Daisy. And like I said, it is a 30 by 40. There's the canvas number for this one. This one has got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 colors. And again, we're going to have a mix of pearls and crystals. There's a couple of extra bags there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and show those. Very nice. So those are the biggest pearls. So here are the couple crystals, and then we get into the colored pearls. I just love these colored pearls. I really do. Then we have the different sizes of the white pearls. And then we get into the large crystals. And then there's a special shape. But the colors are gorgeous. I just love these colored pearls, though. Those are so pretty. So pretty. We will stick these back in here. Don't think I have these in very good. They're folded very well. Again, this is not my superpower of getting them back in there. So this one was $8.79. And if you notice on both of them, the border is going to have all the pearls on it also. I think that's a nice touch. It just makes it feel finished when you're done with it. Having the border around it, it just feels finished. This one's going to be really pretty also. I might have to take and get these flattened out really good and do these real quick. Because I've just really been loving these pearl paintings. Alright, so there's that one. Now, this, I have no idea what this is. They sent this to me, like I said. One of the ones that I asked for was out of stock. And she asked me if I wanted to pick something else out. And I think I was busy or something. I don't remember. But anyway, I just told her to pick something out for me. So, and like I said, I've not looked. So I have no idea what she sent. But it is on a frame. So let's see. It's all that's in the box. So it comes with some pearls. We have got, I don't know what that is. Unless that, well, is that deep? I don't know what this is. I don't know. Does it have... There's nothing in the box. I'm going to have to look and see what that is. Or what do you use that for? Anyway. Alright, so it says right here, this is a 20 by 20. There's the canvas number. I like that it's on a frame. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pause real quick and I'm going to go look and see what the price of this is. Okay, I'm back. Now, this is just called Skeleton. It's a 20 by 20. It was $11.99. And I forgot to look to see what that was. Oh, well, I'm going to have to, after I get done with the video, I'm going to have to look and see what that does. I have been seeing these on TikTok. I don't think it's the same thing as TikTok. But let's look at these. I'm really excited about this. Okay. Yeah, this is, it's just a special. It's just a special shape partial. But look, we've got some special shapes there. We've got some purple pearls. And these tiny golden pearls. Oh my Lord, look at that. Those are teeny tiny. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, I'm going to have to do this one. That, I don't know. That's a discolored. Them are going to be so teeny tiny. Okay. It's really clear. Oh, them teeny tiny white ones go on the skeleton. Y'all see that? Okay, it's not wanting to focus. It's extremely clear on the canvas, but my phone doesn't want to focus. Yeah, that is cool. And it's on this frame. I just wonder if these, I mean, they've got like this, let me just take them out. I mean, that's not sharp or nothing. That is, though. I wonder if they poke in, and are you push this in the wall or something? I don't know. Leave me a comment below and let me know what y'all think these are. Or if you know what they are, let me know what they are and what they do. I'm going to look it up, but that is cool. That is cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do this one. And then I'll do those. And then I'll do another video and let y'all know what this looks like completed. So, very cool. Very cool. Alright, so what do y'all think? Again, these are from DP Club. And I do appreciate them sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And make sure y'all go look in my description box. I'll leave a link to each one of these in my description box. Also, if I have a customer discount, I'll leave that in the description box, and y'all can use that at checkout. And don't forget, everything on their website right now is 22% off. So definitely go check them out. Alright, so that's all I got for y'all today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to do this one. Thank you for sending this to me, because this is cool. Alright, that's all I got, and until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.